First, grate the zest of 2 large oranges, then pop the zest aside for later. Save the juice of both oranges for later. If you can't get enough juice, you can add a little orange juice from a carton. Put a saucepan on the hob over a low heat. Then pour into the saucepan 180 grams of caster sugar. Add the orange juice and cook slowly until the sugar is dissolved. Once the sugar has dissolved, add 400 grams of cranberries. I am using fresh, but you can use frozen. Pop in 3-star anise and a cinnamon stick before letting the mix reach a gentle boil. Once the mix is gently boiling, add in the orange zest. Continue to boil for a few minutes until all the mix is well combined. Don't forget to stir to make sure it does not stick to your pan. Once combined, turn the heat down to low and let it all simmer together for 15 to 20 minutes. The smell will fill the house. It should now have a sticky, jammy consistency. If the sauce coats the back of a spoon without dripping off, it means it is ready.